cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Abia kwenu, oe. Anambra kwenu, oe. Ebonyi kwenu, oe. Enugu kwenu, oe. Imo kwenu, oe. Nigeria kwezuono, yororororo. Oh yeah. Hello, friends, families, and loved ones. I welcome you again to our Igbo channel. Before we continue, let me quickly introduce myself as usual. My name is Mazi B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language and everything that concerns Igbo, including general issues that affect our life in society. We've treated so many parts of the Igbo lessons, which I believe by now you should have been able to imbibe all that I taught you. I remember I usually tell you that each time we are done with an Igbo lesson, you should please go to the comment section and leave your message in form of a question if you're not convinced, or if there's anywhere or any part of the lesson that has confused you or you're confused with. So if there's any part of the lesson that does not go down well with you, you have every right. It's your inalienable right to ask questions, especially when you are undergoing a lesson. So, and it's up to me, your coach, your life coach and teacher, to respond to such questions. Okay? So I still urge you to feel very free, 100% free to ask your questions, and I'll be delighted to answer them, as much as I can. All right. Today we are going to talk about parts of speech in Igbo. I believe by now you should be able to sing or recite our national anthem. When I mean a national anthem, I'm not talking about Nigerian anthem. I'm talking about our Igbo alphabets. Igbo. All right. Before we proceed with our business of the day, let's recite the national anthem, our national anthem, one more time. Abichidi efigi gwi eji kekwekwele meni ngenwenyi o ope resishi ti u viwiyeze abichidi efigi gbegwi eji kekpekwele meni ngenwenyi ope resishi ti u viweze. All right. I'm committed to ensuring that you're able to master Igbo language a lot better than an average Igbo national Igbo native. Okay, now today we're going to talk about parts of speech in Igbo. Parts of speech in Igbo is called Nkeji asusu. Nkeji asusu. We all know what parts of speech are in English language, so they are also applicable in Igbo language. Yes. It's just a matter of translation of one particular English language to a particular language. So other things, or everything that's contained in English language, is also contained in Igbo language. And I believe so strongly in other languages as well. So, like I said, parts of speech mean Nkeji asusu. Parts of speech mean Nkeji asusu. in Igbo language. Now let's look at parts of speech in Igbo language. Number one is called nouns. We know what nouns mean in English language. So noun in Igbo is called mkwa. That's what nouns mean. Mkwa, mkpo aha, mpe o ahe a, mpe o ahe a. Written together. Mpe o ahe a. Okay, the other one is called pronouns. We all know what pronouns mean in English language. In Igbo language, it's also applicable. They are also applicable in Igbo language. They are called nnochi aha. All right. So the other one is verbs. In Igbo, it's called ngwa. I'm not here, please. I'm not here to teach you English language. I'm trying to derive some inferences in English language. The names the parts of speech are called, in Igbo language. I'm trying to teach you that. Please pay attention. Then verbs, as I said, is called ngwa. Adjectives are called what? Adjectives are called nkowa. Nkowa is spelled as Nkeji. Nkeji. Okay, the other one is called adverbs. Adverbs is called nkuwa. Nkuwa, we know what adverbs are in English. So in Igbo, adverbs are called nkuwa. Then we know what prepositions are in English. In Igbo, it's called mbuzo. Then we know what conjunctions are in English language. In Igbo, they are called njiko. 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 Then the other one is interjection. Interjection is called ntimpu, which is spelled as ne te I me be u. Ne te I m be u. Ne te I me be u. Ntimpu. All right. The nouns, I say they are called mkwa. Mkwa is spelled in Igbo as name be or ahe a. Name be or ahe a. Pronouns, nocha, is spelled in Igbo language and is called in Igbo language nocha. That is pronouns, and is spelled as ne or chi ahe a. Ne or chi ahe a. The other one, adjectives. Adjectives in Igbo is called nkowa. Nkowa is spelled as nenke or we a ahe a. Nenke or we a ahe a. Prepositions is called mbuzo in Igbo language. Prepositions are called mbuzo in Igbo language. Mbuzo is spelled as in Igbo as nembe o, nembe u, o ze o. Nembe u, o, nembe u, o ze o. That is prepositions. Conjunctions are called njiko, and they spell that ninji or ninji e k o ninji e k o. That is conjunctions njiko. Interjections are called ntimpu, ninti e me pe u, ninti e me pe u. You know, pe is an alphabet, sorry, an Igbo alphabet that is in pe. So, which I told you, and I've always been telling you, is called diphthongs. Any word you see that comes in pair is pronounced as one word. It's pronounced as one word in Igbo language, in Igbo alphabet, and it's called diphthongs. Okay, diphthongs in Igbo language are called odampe. O de a mempe e. O de a mempe e. All right. This is just an intro. By the time we meet next time, I'll be able to give you examples of these parts of speech. I'll be able to give you examples of these parts of speech. All you have to do is to pay attention each time I'm teaching. Okay? Remember that parts of speech are called Nkeji oku, Nkeji asusu, Nkeji asusu. That's parts of speech. Nkeji asusu. I hope you still remember that diphthongs are called odampi. Vowels are called odaume. Consonants are called mbochiume. Please bear all these things in mind. They are helpful to someone who actually wants to learn Igbo language and be perfect in it. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.